my name is Jake, and these are my brothers Max and Zach. Our parents are American, but we were born here in the northeast region of Spain in Catalonia, so we're half Catalan.
Today we're going to show you how to make pan tomàquet.
It's a traditional Catalan dish that's really easy to make.
The ingredients are simple and fresh.
Els ingredients són simples i frescos.
We have tomato,
Tomata,
garlic,
all,
toasted bread, but the important thing with making pan tomata is that the bread should usually be a little bit thicker and more rustic style.
it's called pa torrat,
Salt,
sal,
and a good quality olive oil.
oli d'oliva.
Once cut, you need to rub the garlic on your piece of toast. But don't go overboard because then it'll be overly garlicky.
Important, the tomato needs to be really ripe.
Second step, you hold the tomato from where the stem comes out and you cut it right down the middle. And then you rub it across the bread, squeezing it a little bit.
Next, you grab salt and sprinkle it on the bread.
Followed by a little bit of olive oil. Bon appetit!